So if you got one of these things, iPhone 15 Pro Max, make sure you put a case on it because it breaks very, very easily. Let's talk. So recently I was watching a video by Mr. JerryRigEverything, and he was testing the iPhone 15 Pro Max in a couple of series of tests, and he literally barely pressed the iPhone 15 Pro Max and it broke very easily. I'm not going to break my phone because I can only afford one iPhone 15 Pro Max, because I can't afford 2 of them or 3 of them. So the 15 Pro Max has a very, very big problem. I mean, it's cracking easily. I've even watched a video, a drop test video by Everything Apple Pro, and the 15 Pro Max breaks significantly faster than the previous year iPhones, and that is something that should cause for some concern, because when you're spending $1,000 on a brand new device such as an iPhone, you're expecting it to actually last for a very long time. So to see that it breaks so easily actually is a little bit disheartening to me. However, I can tell you this much, that the titanium frame itself can stand the test of time. That didn't bend, didn't break, but the internal components of the phone itself is actually what broke, like the glass and the back glass. But the camera is, in the video we can see that the camera is very it doesn't scratch, which is great because I don't use a protector with my camera, never did, never will. But the fact that it breaks so easily, this is a reason why you should wear a case. Now, mine is always in the case. So this is the case that I use. Now I don't have the phone in the case because I have it in my hands, but normally it's always in this beautiful case. And I recommend for you to put your iPhone 15 Pro Max in the case just to make sure that it's safe. Like this one, yeah. Again, tip, it breaks easily. Make sure that you have a case on it so that yours don't break as easily as Everything Apple Pros or JerryRigEverything's. And yeah, so stay safe. iPhone 15 Pro Max is still a great phone, by the way. A lot of great features, but it breaks easily, so make sure you have a case on there. Okay, see you next video. Cheers.